Hi guys, this is called cappuccino. Ito pala yung iced coffee. Masarap to siya guys. Homemade iced coffee. First, naglagay ako dyan ng yellow na may melted sugar. Ang flavor ay ano bang flavor, nakalimutan ko na. Tapos by the next, sinunod ko na yung cappuccino flavor, made or homemade, coffee in iced coffee yan. It means iced coffee yan guys. Tapos syempre nilagyan ng milk, diba? Sarap niyan, yummy yan. Tingnan natin guys kung makakatulog kayo.